How to fix our system detected that the device you are using is not secure Gcash. First thing you want to do is head to your settings, scroll down, look for apps, and then once you're on apps, click on manage apps. From here, search for Gcash, click on that, and then clear data. Now you just make sure that you click on clear all data and click clear cache. Now once you've done that, you have to figure out on how you can go to your developer options. Now this will be depending on your phone make and model. Right now my phone make and model is actually Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. So for me to be able to go to my developer option, I'll just have to go ahead to my about phone and then just tapping on our OS version. And then it says that you are now a developer. You go back to settings and then go to search developer options. Now, from here, you'll just have to disable it and then go all the way back and try to relaunch your Gcash app again. So that's how you fix or troubleshoot our system detected that the device you're using is not secure Gcash.